Hello guys, we've got the situation here. We've got a knocking noise on this Grand Cherokee WJ, and I'm gonna change the shock absorbers because I will try to show you now, but this bushing here is gone. The bushing is gone, and it's easier to change the whole shock than repairing and trying to put a new bushing. I've already changed the roll bar linkages and the bushings and loads of other stuff. So I think the knock is from here. It's coming from here. So now this one is it's a 15 mil bolt, 15 mil socket. And the shock is it's out. Whoa. Whoa. So much dust here, and this just felt out of the shock. So you can see here what's going on, what's happening. So this bushing costs about three pounds or something like that, but the shock is not expensive. It was about 25 quid, brand new, so it's not the best brand, but I'll show you now. So that's the new shock. Already changed the other one here. It's new. Oh yeah, and this here is temporarily fixed. I'm not gonna leave it like that. So yeah, I'm gonna change the shock now. Pretty hard with one hand, so I'm just gonna show you the new shock and the difference in the size of the holes and why it's knocking like crazy. It's knocking like crazy, really. Oh, look at the new one and look at this one. This goes here, and the ball goes here, and see the play here, and when you put it here, there's no play. So now you're gonna put it like that, this side on top, this side on bottom, just like that, same way backwards. Just 2 bolts, that's it, without taking off the wheel, without. You need just a 15 mil socket and a spanner or a ratchet or a impact gun, and yes, that's all you need to change the rear shock absorbers on the Grand Cherokee WJ. Obviously these shocks are not, they look smaller than the other ones. I mean, that's because of the white strap, but I'm talking about the diameter. So they look tinier, but they're gonna be alright for a while, because I have to go somewhere with the car, and yeah. Thanks for watching.